Hey guys, got me some SX decoys. I got 6 SX Specklebelly flock decoys, the combo pack. So we're gonna have a look. And then I got a SX feeder pack for Canada Goose. We're gonna look at those as well. Charles wants to go hide in the box, so steaks. Whoa. Whoa!
Hey, Mama!
Okay. Vas-y. Okay, so all the decoys all come in their individual bags to protect the flocking. Come out of a bubble wrap. Flock specklebellies. T'es caché? Okay, I'm going to take them all out of the bags and put them up in the yard so we can look at them. Feeder, left side.
Yeah.
Another feeder, left. Oops. Okay. Non, c'est l'avant-dernier.
The last one?
It's not the last one, there's one more.
One more? The last one is the one more.
Another feeder, left side.
The is so soft.
They're soft, eh? Yay! There's 3 left side feeders, and then 2 kind of uprights. This one, and this one with the mouth closed, and then there's this one here with the mouth open. Already did a video on the combo pack of the life-size Canada Goose. So they're very similar, but the difference with the feeder pack is there's only 4 instead of 6, and you don't have sentry, and then I think they call it the other one just the looker. So all you have are the feeding ones. And then for the Canadas, the pegs are black instead of orange. This is not a sponsored video. I paid money to get these decoys, but I do think they're pretty nice. I wanted to show them to you guys. Head position's a little bit different on this one. It kind of goes to the right, longer neck. This one goes to the left. I think there's just 2 of each, 2 2 feeding to the left and 2 feeding to the right. So the square bases are good. If the soil is too hard or frozen, you can use the square bases. The specklebellies don't come with square bases, but they are a little smaller. And the difference is underneath. These ones, you have the elastic to put them on the square base. It's elastic here, but not on the specklebelly. So this is kind of a size comparison. Specklebelly and the Canada's live size. Okay, I just want to show you quickly how to put them on here. So pretty straightforward. You pop them on, but you don't really need to put the elastic. The elastic is just for it to, if it's very windy, or if you're picking it up and moving them, then the base stays attached. It's really cool. So yeah, these are the SX Decoys. Can't wait for hunting season. Hundreds of dollars of decoys, but he wants to play in the box. Woo! Cuckoo. Oh. Bird's eye view. Alright, that's it for today. Leave me a like if you like the video and click the subscribe button. Good hunting videos coming this fall. Yeah, I like them. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the decoys. My spread is mostly Canada geese, but we did see some specklebellies going through last year and coming in our Canada geese setup. So I'm adding about 5 to 10% specklebellies because I noticed they do land and they do mix in with the Canadas. So I want to reproduce what I see in nature. So I'll have, you know, 6 specklebellies and maybe 50 or 60 Canadas in my spread. So, all right, I'm gonna go play with my kid. Thanks, guys. Cheers.